The moon has been slowly drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. But what if, instead of moving away, it started moving towards us? How would this affect our planet and our lives? As the moon gets closer, its gravitational pull on Earth would increase dramatically. This would cause tides to become much higher, potentially flooding coastal cities and altering marine ecosystems. Imagine New York City, where the tides suddenly rise by several meters, flooding streets, subways, and homes, and forcing millions to evacuate. The increased gravitational force would also tug at Earth's crust, leading to more frequent and intense earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Volcanic regions, such as those in the Pacific Northwest, could see more frequent eruptions, spewing ash and lava and disrupting air travel and agriculture. Imagine a world where a single day lasts 30 hours instead of 24. The moon's gravity affects Earth's rotation. As it gets closer, it would slow down our planet's spin, making days longer. This change would impact our daily routines, agriculture, and even our biological clocks. With longer days and nights, the distribution of sunlight on Earth would change, potentially leading to extreme weather patterns and climate shifts. Imagine a scenario where prolonged daylight heats up regions like Arizona, causing severe droughts, while extended nights lead to colder temperatures and frost in areas like New England. These changes could disrupt global food production, leading to shortages and increased competition for resources. Over time, the moon's proximity could lead to even more drastic changes. The increased gravitational interaction might eventually cause the moon to break apart, creating a ring of debris around Earth, similar to Saturn's rings. This ring could be a spectacular sight, but it might also pose a threat to satellites and space missions. Imagine the challenges of navigating through a dense field of lunar debris to maintain our communication and GPS systems.